Welcome back to the channel. We got a special paint session for you today. We're going to be doing the sour apple shad on a jerkbait, perfect for this time of year. Come join me. We're going to spray some paint. All right, on today's shad paint session, we're going to be doing this knockoff Pointer 100, and I've got a base color white on, and first thing up, we're going to cover that with a pearl white. We want this shad pattern to come to life in the water. It's not going to quite be of the spark shad lineup that we did a few weeks back, but we could, doing multiple layers of pearls. But on today's pattern, we're just going to do the one layer of pearls on this particular color. Alright, that gives that a nice little pop. And you know what, we might add a little hot rod sparkle purple or something into this, or a little highlight purple, but really we're going for a basic shad pattern here. This one is a I don't know, I can't remember what I used to call this one. If this one's sour apple shad, something like that. But anyhow, next thing up, what we're going to do is go ahead and get the belly color done on this. Or I don't want to get any of this on that gill, so just above the lateral line, I'm going to lay in our green. Go ahead and darken that up just a little bit more. And at the end of the video, I'll give you the rundown of the paint colors used in this pattern. Like I said, this is really a pretty simple pattern. And we're going to go over the back color with a little bit darker shade of purple. Just to kind of darken that up just a little bit. Just a couple drops. Need to cut my pressure back. And guys and gals, this is today's pattern. So we're going to put some gold eyes in, and you tell me. I don't know if we've even, usually a lot of times I don't put the shad dot on this particular pattern, but obviously you can add that to it as well. And sour apple shad is what we're going to, I believe what I used to call this pattern, but this is a great pattern. Smallmouth, attractant to say the least. Got that iridescent belly. I'll run you down the colors real quick. Again, a white base coat covered with a pearl white, and we did an iridescent yellow, and we did a fluorescent green on the sides. We did a light layer of fluorescent purple. But really the best back color for this one is going to be the detail violet, but I do like some of those lighter shades to show up underneath from that fluorescent yellow, but we do like the violet just to darken up that very center portion of the back. So guys, hope you liked the video. Like and share if you would, that helps the channel. And until next week, Green Country Baits signing out.